Hello everyone, welcome. I wanted to show you guys the 8x8 yellow pine beams that we cut. They're 26 foot long on the Woodmizer and 12 foot uprights, which were 8x8s. And I've got the pennants on the ends of them, tenons, sorry. I lost the video to it. You know, when you hit format and you thought you had the videos off the card already, but you didn't. And it's all over with. So I'll show you all what we got done here. Let me turn you around. This is the 26 foot beams. They're 26 foot long. They're 8x8. There's two of them there. Walk over where you can see them. I got some scraps board laying on top of them, so probably can't see them, but that's them right there. That's two of them. They're 26 foot long. And here's the 12 footers with the tenons on the ends of them. And we made a bunch of 2x6s for the roof. And got a bunch of 16 foot 2x6s over here. And these are true 2x6s. Same as these here, they're true 2x6s. And these are 8 foot and 10 foot and 12 foot long. And like I said, these are all the 12 foot uprights. And I got one more in there. I'm putting the last tenon on it now. Had this all video, but it didn't, like I said, when you think you got your videos off the card and you didn't, but when you hit that format, you better have, because it's all over with. So I lost all the video of recording the sawing of the 26 foot and the last of the 12 foots. And I'll give you a little peek here of some yellow pine we went and picked up the other day. This is some yellow pine we went and picked up the other day from a gentleman that gave it to us. I got one poplar log on there. It's 8 foot, both pieces. There's two pieces that's 8 foot. And these here are pine. This is the other load. And there's one poplar log on there. Or two poplar logs, excuse me. Two poplar logs on there. So we've got a nice selection of pine here to finish out everything that's so. So when we get started, I'll do another video. My wife had eye surgery, so I've been behind. We've been behind, because she can't do very much without her eyes right now. So y'all bear with us, and we'll get back to it. You have a great day. So I hope y'all stick with us until we get back on everything track here and get everything started getting milled up again. And my wife eye surgery went well, so as soon as it heals up, we'll be back out here finishing it up. We thank and appreciate you watching our videos, and y'all have a great day.